voltage, current, and capacitance measurement tests. Kaiweets, KM602, Smart Digital Multimeter, 6,000 counts, True RMS. Kaiweets, KC601/602 Smart Digital Clamp Meter, Auto Range AC-DC Current. Measurement of DC voltage. Measurement of AC voltage. Measurement of DC current. Measurement of capacitance. What you get: measurement cables, battery charging cable, thermometer. Smart mode. This smart multimeter enters smart mode by default. In smart mode, the voltmeter automatically measures voltage, resistance, and continuity. It can identify the measurement content and select the range with the best resolution, making the measurement more convenient and faster. Rechargeable multimeter. The tester multimeter has a rechargeable function and a built-in 1200 mAh battery. The multimeter will last longer, and what's more convenient is that you no longer need to replace the battery manually. Wide application. This smart digital multimeter is suitable for diagnosing automotive, industrial, and household electrical problems. The multimeter can accurately measure AC and DC voltage, resistance, continuity, AC and DC current, capacitance, frequency, diode, duty cycle, temperature, NCV, and live wire. Safety instruction. The professional multimeter has 2 fuses to protect against burnout and overload, overvoltage protection, anti-high voltage circuit. Soft silicone case protects in drop. Upgraded intelligent mode. We upgrade the amp clamp meter, which is unique in the market. The default intelligent mode when the meter is on can automatically identify AC-DC voltage current, resistance, and continuity measurement signals, making the operation more convenient and safe. Advanced design and amp, multifunction. The multimeter tester is built-in max-min, date hold, flashlight, auto-off features. D-shaped jaws can hold test leads and are more portable. It can measure AC-DC current voltage, resistance, continuity, capacitance, diode, NCV, firewire, and temperature for all of your measurement needs. Large HD color screen. Easier to read than a traditional clamp meter. The HD color bright screen is good for working properly in dark places. Avoid reading the measurement value difficulty under direct sunlight. It is a good gift for friends and family. Self-test and amp. In-rush measurement function. The clamp meter automatically performs a self-test and displays CL when it is on to ensure the accuracy of the measurement results. Also, knowing the value of in-rush current can help you locate a startup problem quickly, whether it's in the motor or in the starting circuit. In-rush current measurement range is 5600A. The in-rush function is only available in AC current mode. DC current does not have the in-rush function.